everyone, welcome to eDufundae. I am your chemistry mentor for the topic relationship between delta G and equilibrium constant and third law of thermodynamics. Let us see what is the relationship between delta G and equilibrium constant K. For this thing, consider a reaction. Here is the reaction. And now the reaction quotient is denoted by Q. And now one by one let us see what will be the reaction quotient at concentration in terms of concentration and reaction quotient in terms of partial pressure. So firstly, QC is equal to C to the power C, D to the power D by A to the power A and B to the power B. So here is the term C that is written in the square bracket is representing the concentration of C, and same is the case with D, A and B. Now let us see the quotient or reaction quotient in terms of partial pressure. So QP is equal to PC to the power C, PD to the power D by PA to the power A and PB to the power B. What is PC? It is the partial pressure of C, and similarly PD, PA and PB are the partial pressure of D, A and B respectively. The reaction quotient is similar to equilibrium constant when reaction reaches equilibrium. So what happens at equilibrium? The concentration and partial pressure reach equilibrium values. So we can write that Q is equal to K. Now consider when reactants and products are not in standard state. Then in that case, change in Gibbs free energy is given by Gibbs free energy changes delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Now consider this equation, that is delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q. Over here delta G is equal to Gibbs free energy और जो delta G naught है that is standard Gibbs free energy. What does that mean? Standard Gibbs free energy means free energy or Gibbs free energy at standard conditions of temperature and pressure. Next is R, that is gas constant, T is temperature and Q is reaction quotient. At equilibrium पे क्या होता है? जो change in Gibbs free energy है that is equal to 0 and Q is equal to K. So putting these two values in the equation we will have 0 is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln K. बिकॉज इक्विलिब्रियम पे क्या है? डेल्टा G की वैल्यू 0 है और Q है हमारा K के इक्वल. सो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन वी विल गेट डेल्टा G नॉट इज इक्वल टू माइनस RT ln K. सो इस नेचुरल लॉ को हम लॉग with base 10 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. then we will multiply this equation by 2.303. so the final equation is delta G naught is equal to minus 2.303 RT log K, and this log is with base 10. Note, here is the note that if K is less than 1, अगर K की वैल्यू less than 1 हुई, that means in negative, so in that case delta G naught will be greater than 0. that means अगर K की वैल्यू less than 1 है तो हमारा delta G naught will be positive. and if K is greater than 1, अगर K greater than 1 है then in that case delta G naught will be less than 0. less than 0 means delta G naught हमारा negative value में होगा. Next is third law of thermodynamics or Nernst heat theorem. It states that the entropy of a pure and perfectly crystalline substance is zero at absolute zero temperature. Absolute zero temperature पे क्या होगा? Absolute zero temperature means 0 Kelvin or माइनस 273 डिग्री सेल्सियस इस टेम्परेचर पे जो एंट्रोपी होगी ऑफ अ परफेक्टली एंड प्योर क्रिस्टलाइन सब्सटेंस दैट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज 0. That means S is equal to 0 at T is equal to 0. That's all for this topic. Thanks for watching.